Ciao a tutti amici di Dawa e benvenuti.
Hello to all you Dawa friends and welcome. Today we'll be talking about hybrid systems, which are platforms that make it possible to integrate diverse protocols into a single system. First of all, we have our proprietary Dawa HD CVI protocol, which enables us to transmit high-definition signals, currently up to 4K, over a coaxial cable. And then we have AHD and TVI, which are third-party high-definition protocols. And then, of course, the traditional CVBS, which is the low-definition analog signal. Let's start with our XVR, which is a pentabrid device. And as you can see, we have the power button, a LAN port, which we can connect to an auxiliary switch, a USB port, the HDMI and VGA video outputs, the audio input-output jacks, and of course the BNC connectors for our analog video cameras.
Iniziamo quindi la configurazione di base.
Now let's start with a base configuration using the Setup Wizard. We set a password which has to be at least 8 characters long, and then we're asked to create an unlock pattern to make unlocking easier. Then we enter the answers to our security questions, which will enable us to recover the password if we've forgotten it. It's also crucial to enter an email address, which we'll also need if we forget the password. We'll enable verification of any firmware updates and set the local date and time.
Della data e dell'ora locali. Possiamo già configurare
We can configure an IP address now, or we can enable the DHCP protocol to automate these settings. Then we turn on the P2P functions and configure the storage management settings, followed by setting the schedule for recordings and snapshots.
Registrazioni e dei nostri snapshot. La modalità regolare.
Regular mode is for continuous recording. Motion, of course, for motion-based recording. Then we have alarm and recording based on video analysis.
Siamo quindi pronti per collegare le
Now
nostre...
we're ready to connect our cameras. First, from the menu, we go to the camera management section. In the channel type field, choose the type of camera managed for each channel. And then we connect the analog cameras to ports 1 and 2 of the XVR.
E 2 dell'XVR. Dopo il riavvio siamo pronti per...
After a restart, we're ready to connect the third camera. In this case, the IP camera we have here, by way of a local switch. So let's add it now.
Ad aggiungerla. Andiamo quindi ad
Now we can add another camera, a fourth IP camera found on our network, by way of a PC that I've set up here and connected to the network using this XVR. I'll use the application Smart PSS, downloaded from our website, to add the device to the list of all the devices we've got.
Di quelli che abbiamo. Il
The
pallino.
status turns green, which means that the device is online and able to be reached by way of the PC. Well friends, I'd say that's it for today. See you again here for our next Dawa Technology video.
Video di Dawa Italia.